Hello there. Is it time for assembly already? Well, today my assembly is all about enterprise. Now, what's an enterprise, I might hear you ask? Well, when we normally think about enterprises, we think about people running businesses. So I've had a go at setting up my own enterprise. It's called Pants for Prawns, and it's inspired by my good friend Philippe here. You see, Philippe can't find any pants to fit him, so I thought I'd set up an enterprise to help him, a business to make pants for prawns. Here's my latest pair. What do you think? Is this a good enterprise? So I've started this new enterprise. It's called Pants for Prawns, and I'm going to make pants for prawns. What do you think? You don't think it's going to work? You don't think there's that many prawns in the world that need pants? I'm starting to worry that you might be right. I guess that just means I'm not that good at enterprise. Wait, what's that you say? Well, apparently, enterprise doesn't just mean businesses. Being enterprising can mean other things as well. I wonder what else it means. An enterprising person is someone who adapts to changes and makes the best out of them. Think about all the changes you've had to adapt to. You've probably had to be pretty enterprising to make the best out of those. An enterprising person sees new opportunities and takes them. They might learn new skills or take up opportunities to do things that they've never done before. So if you've done that in the past few months, then you've probably been enterprising too. An enterprising person has determination and persistence and passion, even when things are tough. Have a think about the last few months. Have you had to be determined to succeed in something that you found difficult? Well, if so, maybe you've been enterprising. An enterprising person has to be creative. They're able to think of new ways of doing things when they need to. For example, you might have invented new games at home or new ways of spending time with friends and family when you can't be with them. Well, if you've done these sorts of things, then you've been enterprising. Well, Philippe, that is interesting to hear all the different ways that I can be enterprising. Looks like I don't need to have a business after all. And quite frankly, I'm not sure Pants for Prawns was going to be a success anyway. Well, Philippe and I have had another go at being enterprising, inventing a new way of doing something. This time we've taken the theme of holidays. They might be a little different. So Philippe and I have come up with a new enterprise to still have fun on holiday without even having to really leave your house. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our staycation vacation. Enjoy! Yep, see you later! Oh, how many floors does this hotel have? Oh, almost there. Finally made it to the door of my hotel room. Let's use my key card to get inside. Beep. Beep. It's not working. Oh, don't don't tell me I'm going to have to go all the way back downstairs to get a new one. Ugh. Oh, finally made it into my room after that long journey. Well, I'm ready to get settled into my hotel, so I'm going to go and have a look at what facilities they've got available here. See you in a bit. Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. I've just woken up after my first night in my hotel, and would you believe this? This hotel has the same bed sheets that I have at home. How about that? What a coincidence. I just can't believe it. Well, off you go. I need to get a bit more beauty sleep. See ya. Think it's time to finally put my snorkel to use. I'm going to head down to the swimming pool. See you later. This swimming pool looks amazing. It's got a jacuzzi fountain and everything. I can't wait to dive right in. Although I'm not too sure about these floating metal things at the bottom of the pool. Guess I'm going to have to just swim round them. Oh, that was a lovely swim. Fantastic pool facilities and that fountain. I've never seen anything like it. Well, I'm off to get my hair dried and then I'm going to have a think about what to do with the rest of my day on holiday. Decisions, decisions. Oh yeah, that would be great. Thank you. Oh, hello again. I'm just trying to decide where I should go for today. Maybe you can help me. Nepal Himalayas? Nah. Too cold. Cambodia? Too far. Tanzania? Bit too wild. Maybe Madagascar? Not if it's anything like the film. Where shall I go? Oh, I know. London's parks and gardens. What better place for a nice day out? Yep. That's where I'm going to go. See you in a bit. Here I am, exploring the parks and gardens of London. The leaves on the trees. Oh. Fine, you got me. Haven't even left the hotel room. All right, I'm on my way, I'm going. Oh, hello there. I'm finally outside. I've headed out to the park and look who I found. He's stowed away in my suitcase. It's Philippe the prawn. He's just helping me read my parks and gardens and deciding where to go next. Where shall I go, Philippe? St James's Park, you say? You know, that's near Buckingham Palace and that's where the Queen lives. But if I'm going to go to St James's Park, I can't take you with me, Philippe, because you know in London, they eat prawns like you. Well, I best be off then. I need to rent a bike from the hotel. Hopefully they've got one that I can rent from them. Come on, Philippe, let's go. Well, I was in luck. The hotel does rent out bikes. And the funny thing is, this looks exactly like the bike I have at home. How strange. Full of coincidences this holiday is. Well, all I've got to do now is go and get my helmet and then I'll be ready for my big adventure. See you in a bit. Here I am at Buckingham Palace. It's fairly empty. There's quite a few cyclists around though. And now I'm going to cycle down the Mall, which is where the London Marathon ends. So I'm going to have a go. I'm not going to be running though. I'm going to be cycling. I have arrived in China, otherwise known as Chinatown, London. I've stumbled upon this sign for the Museum of Crochet Animals. Well, no holiday's complete without going round a museum, so I'm going to go and have a look. And I've got £2 to get in. What could be better? And here's where my tour begins. What have I got here? Oh, it's a crochet hook saved from the Great Fire of London. Looks like it might be real gold. Oh, and then we've got some wool from King Henry VIII's palace. Oh my gosh, this museum is amazing. Hello, big guy. This is Wally the Whale from 1970. Next we have the Squid Family, all the way from the 1750s. Wow, they're looking good. Looks like they're still getting on with each other as well. Gosh, what am I going to see next? A white tail? What could this be? It's Angela the Alpaca, all the way from 1994. Still looking great, Angela. Oh, looks like there's more exhibits round the corner. On I go with my tour. Oh, next we have, who's this? It's Connie the Cactus from 1988, complete with original label as well. Oh, she must be very expensive. Oh, how cute! Teeny tiny Bonnie Bunny, all the way from 1904. Ooh, what's this? It's Marvin Monster, a more modern creation from 2006. Oh, wow, rhinos. They're rare. Rhiannon and Ronald from 1903. Fantastic. I wonder what I'm going to see next. Oh, how cute. A tiny snail, Susie Snail from 2007. Right next to Bernard the Bee, all the way from 1810. Oh, I can see a green hand. What am I going to see next? Fiona the Frog from 1914. Fiona, what a fantastic name. Wish I had a name like that. Well, there's just one more thing I can see in the exhibits list. Hang on. Philippe, how did you get here? You're not meant to be in London. We've talked about this. Stop trying to smuggle yourself into the museum. Oh, gosh. You better come with me, Philippe. This just isn't on. Well, it's been a fantastic trip, but all holidays must come to an end, I suppose. So it's time for us to check out and head back home again. But we'll have all the memories of our wonderful trip with us for a long time to come. And maybe if you go on your own staycation vacation, you can record it too, and we can all see what you get up to. Well, that's all from me now. Better start my journey home. See you soon. Bonjour, au revoir.